So good morning everybody and welcome to the channel. As always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. So here we are on a Wednesday at 8:30 in the morning and I'm at another new job location. So one of the brokers that I'm working directly with for some of these construction sites and these spec home sales got in touch yesterday, knew I was trying to take the week off, but hey, small business owner, you never get to take the week off. So he actually made an introduction for me with another builder that that his firm deals with, and that builder's been seeing some of the work, some of the construction progression work that we've been doing on these different job sites. Right now we've got 8 different construction progression jobs at various stages of completion, from raw land, completely open dirt patches that haven't been bulldozed or anything yet, up to a home that is almost finished that we've been working on for a couple of months now. And I believe the demand for these types of construction progression reporting setups that we do at AZ Drone are still gaining momentum. Here in Arizona, we've got a crazy housing market right now. Talking to one of my other clients down in the Phoenix area, as soon as they list homes for sale, the homes are snapped up, and they're snapped up at some pretty crazy prices now in some cases. But anyways, one of the values that drone operators can bring is actually monitoring and demonstration of progress on job sites. This helps the builders out, this helps the potential homeowners out, this helps the realtors out. So we're covering a lot of bases, and there are really good cases to be made for a new home buyer wanting to document their build site, a construction company wanting to document the quality of work they provide, the timeliness of their services, and meeting or exceeding expectations for their clients. And of course, for the brokers and the realtors, this is a great way to show off some of the properties that you've helped set up with the builders and with the potential owners. So right now I'm here a little early today. I'm actually facing the wrong way. Across the street here is where we're going to be checking it out. We've got a couple of acre property. This particular builder wants to get a feel for some of the views from the property. There's some lower scrub and some lower trees in the area, but he's got a particular idea in mind for how this building's going to be built. So there's some nice views off to the south of Granite Mountain, some other views off to the north as well. So he just wants to get an idea. So literally today, we're just gonna do a couple of flights above ground level and, you know, throw the drone up 10 or 15 feet above ground level, depending on where the builder wants to do this, just to get an idea what are the views going to be. Now in the background there's another creaking sound in the distance. That's actually the realtor sign, so we're already past the stage of somebody being interested in this, and we're now into the stage of getting ready to start planning the build of this location. Apparently, I was reading the sign over here, this is going to be a 3,000 square foot home, and they've got a couple of acres on it, and then they were talking about, I think it's 4 bed and 4 bath in this place, so that should be pretty interesting. But like I said, today is a really simple one. This is going to be a short one. The builder's going to come out. We're going to go walk a couple of the stakes. We're going to throw the drone up just a very short distance into the air. We're going to take some images north, south, east, west. I'm also going to do a couple of 360-degree images from these low above ground level locations, just to give us a really good idea if we're looking out of the house windows and we rotate ourselves around, what's going to be outside of those windows. Of course, some clearing is going to take place as well. Well, if you're new to the channel, we've been doing a lot of series of videos on drone construction progression reporting. You can look through the YouTube channel to find a lot more content on this. If you're interested in getting more behind the scenes information and information sharing and conversation, check out our Patreon channel, which is linked down below. And finally, if you're interested in doing some of this type of drone construction work, you're interested in dealing with the deliverables, you're interested in what types of services you can offer, you should go over to AZ Drone's Teachable site, and we do have a series of classes on doing these drone construction progression reports. So, well, not just how to gather information for those progression reports. Most of the information that we do on the private web pages that we create for clients can actually be found on our Patreon channel, although we're looking to do a new bigger video on building custom websites for your construction clients, for your buyers, for your brokers, and for your agents. All right, everybody, I need to put this camera away. I need to get the drone ready. My client will be here shortly. Of course, I'm always early, so I do have about 20 minutes to kill, but that gives me plenty of time to do a little of my own prep work and take a walk around the posts that are in here to give myself an idea of what we're going to be flying, because while we're doing something simple today, within the next couple of weeks, we're probably going to be back out here again as they start getting the land ready for this build site. Right off in the distance here, I can see 2 new homes going in. We also have a couple homes at the end of this cul-de-sac and a couple other very nice homes over here. But right behind the camera, we've got a nice open land area that looks like it's going to yield some pretty nice views, but there's also a bit of a drop off. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the next video. Patrons, don't forget, every Sunday except the last Sunday of the month, we have our Patreon Zoom meetings. And so be sure to pop by this week's, because we're going to talk a little bit about this visit here today. All right, everyone, we'll see you again soon.